Hey, everyone! Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the latest tips and tricks for making money online. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss: how to make money with ChatGPT. I'm your host, and I'm thrilled to share this information with you. Before we dive into the details, let's take a moment to understand what ChatGPT is. ChatGPT is an advanced language model created by OpenAI. It uses artificial intelligence to generate human-like text responses, making it ideal for various tasks such as customer support, content creation, and even chatbot development. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty of how you can leverage ChatGPT to make money. Here are some strategies you can consider. Content creation. ChatGPT can help you generate high-quality content for blogs, social media posts, or even YouTube videos. As an AI assistant, it can provide you with ideas, suggestions, and even draft sections of your content. By utilizing ChatGPT's capabilities, you can save time and produce more engaging and informative content, ultimately attracting more viewers and potential monetization opportunities. Chatbot development. With the rise of online businesses, chatbots have become increasingly popular for automating customer support. ChatGPT can be trained to serve as a chatbot, providing quick and accurate responses to customer inquiries. By offering chatbot development services to businesses, you can earn money by implementing ChatGPT's capabilities and enhancing customer experiences. Virtual assistant services. ChatGPT can assist with various tasks, such as scheduling appointments, managing emails, or providing information. You can offer virtual assistant services powered by ChatGPT, catering to individuals or businesses in need of personalized and efficient support. This can be an excellent opportunity to generate income while utilizing ChatGPT's conversational skills. Online courses and tutorials. If you have expertise in a specific field, you can create online courses or tutorials with ChatGPT's assistance. ChatGPT can help you develop interactive lessons, answer students' questions, and provide additional resources. By offering valuable knowledge and guidance, you can monetize your courses and tutorials through platforms like Udemy, Skillshare, or even your own website. Now that we've explored these strategies, it's essential to keep a few things in mind as you embark on your money-making journey with ChatGPT. Always be transparent about ChatGPT's involvement. While it can provide incredible support, it's crucial to let your audience know when AI assistance is being utilized. Continuously improve and customize ChatGPT. Train it with specific datasets related to your niche, ensuring its responses align with your brand or business. Stay updated with the latest advancements in ChatGPT and AI technology. As the field evolves, new opportunities and features may arise, enabling you to offer even more valuable services. That's all for today's video on how to make money with ChatGPT. We hope you found these strategies helpful and inspiring. Remember, it's essential to leverage technology to enhance your skills and create new income streams. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Also, let us know in the comments below if you have any other ideas on how to monetize ChatGPT or if you've tried any of these strategies yourself. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.